Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Great Wall V200 single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 4633. This shape runs from the 4th month 2011 through to the 1st month 2015. It has a GW4D 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual, 4-wheel drive transmission. GW4D 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light with surround, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, flare type. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left door 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted alloy tray supplied with all bolts and brackets. Requires a right-hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door has multiple small dents. Right power door mirror in chrome. Right guard has 1 small dent. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, manual gear shifter, 6-speed. Interior heater controls, left-hand sun visor, interior mirror, right-hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.